What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how to cook some fluffy white rice. So guys, let's get started. So here in my pot I have 2 cups of rice and I'm gonna wash this thoroughly. Guys, you want to make sure you wash your rice properly to remove all the impurities and any elements of life that may have been living in your rice, because we don't know where the rice have been. So guys, you want to make sure you wash it properly, and by washing, so you want to wash this about 3 to 4 times or until the water runs semi-clear. And guys, here I am using basmati rice, but you could use any rice of choice that you want to use. So my beautiful people, for every cup of rice you want to use 2 cups of water. So guys, as you can see here, I'm going to use my pot as a guide because there's a measurement in it. But for if you don't know, so therefore I have 2 cups of rice, so I'll be using 4 cups of water. Now I'm going to place this on my stove top. And to this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. You could use coconut oil, guys, or any butter you like. And a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give this a quick stir to ensure that the salt is fully distributed throughout the rice. And I'm going to start cooking my rice. I turn my heat on medium. You want to make sure it's on medium, guys. We don't want to burn it. And we're going to allow this to cook. After 5 minutes, I'm going to give this a mix to get the butter fully incorporated throughout the rice. You want to do this just after it starts boiling up. You don't want to wait until it's too hard. We're going to let it simmer away for another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is what our rice will be looking like. We're just going to use our fork to fluff it up. And guys, you have the perfect fluffy white rice. And guys, you want to make sure always after you put it in, you put it on low heat. Now we're going to cover and allow to simmer for our steam for another 5 minutes, and there you have it, your perfect fluffy white rice. You could serve this up with any main course as a favorite side dish. You could serve it up with curries or stew or anything you feel like having your white rice with. Alright, that's it, beautiful people. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button and turn on the post notification bell that says all, so you'll be notified first each time I upload a new video. Until then, my beautiful people, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.